This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Billy Dahl. Here is your opportunity to own a hard-to-find 3-bedroom 2-bath home in Fox Run. The split floor plan offers a massive living area which opens to the Florida room, adding an additional 264 square feet of air-conditioned living area, with a surround of windows with designer remote shades. Recent upgrades to the kitchen include stainless appliances, new cabinets, solid surface counters, stone sink, designer fixtures and an extension of the kitchen island providing an additional dining area. The primary bedroom area affords plenty of privacy and room with its large walk-in closet, dressing area. The renovations follow the same tasteful color theme throughout the home with new cabinets, dual sinks with solid surface counters and an oversized glass enclosed step-in shower. The guest bedrooms on the opposite side of the home are easily accessible to the upgraded guest bath with a step-in shower as well, and just steps away from the laundry room with plenty of storage and shelving. The double driveway and carport gives you plenty of room for your cars or golf cart, and provides gated access to the backyard, a great place your dog will enjoy. Live the lifestyle Fox Run has to offer with its full calendar of social activities, 2 pools, boardwalk, and clubhouse. Enjoy a day cruising or fishing on the Harris chain of lakes from the marina or community boat ramp. Don't wait, schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below.